Can Scrub Daddy sponges go in the dishwasher to sanitize them? The answer is yes. Scrub Daddy is fully dishwasher safe. Just place it on the top rack for a deep clean. The top rack gets hot enough to kill germs without damaging the special flex texture material. Putting it on the bottom rack is a no-go because it can get too hot down there. A full dishwasher cycle refreshes the sponge, kills bacteria, and removes odors completely, making it good as new. If you need a quick alternative, you can microwave a damp sponge for 1 minute or just rinse and air dry it for daily use. So remember, the top rack keeps it germ-free. For more tips, check us out. Thanks for watching.